Hello, hi, welcome back to Sahil. So today we are bringing you a very exciting update, especially for all the biology and microbiology students out there. So if you have been waiting for a chance to gain real practical lab experience, then this one is a tailor-made for you. So the Center for Creative Learning at the IIT Gandhinagar has announced a hands-on internship in microbiology where you will get the opportunity to explore real-world experiments in microbial cultivation, antibiotic resistance, and fermentation, and much more. So let me walk you through the details step by step. So what is this internship all about? So it is designed for undergraduate and postgraduate students of biology who have some background in the microbial cultivation, isolation, and biochemical testing. So this is not just a theory based program. Instead, you will be performing actual laboratory experiments under the guidance, which makes it fantastic opportunity to learn, explore and build confidence in microbiological techniques. Now let's talk about the activities that you will be working on during this internship tenure. You will get to investigate how bacteria becomes resistant to antibiotics, which is one of the most pressing issue in the modern medicine, and you will also explore the antimicrobial properties of everyday spices, then something that connects traditional knowledge with the modern science, that is spice and antimicrobial properties. And apart from that, you will gain hands-on exposure to the fermentation, which has applications ranging from food technology to pharmaceuticals, and you will also be growing microorganisms on petri dishes. And finally, working on the exciting challenges of testing and identifying unknown bacteria. Each of these activities will help you to sharpen your practical skills and understand how concepts you have learned in the class actually apply in real life. So, coming to the role as an intern, your main responsibilities will include performing the above experiments, standardizing the procedures, and documenting your observations and results. But here is something interesting: you won't just write plain lab reports, instead, you will put your findings together in the form of a learning module. This means your work will not only benefit you but also future learners, making it a meaningful contribution. So let's discuss the duration and location of the internship. The minimum duration for the internship is 2 months, which is long enough to gain solid practical exposure but still short enough to fit into your academic calendar. The internship will take place at the Center for Creative Learning, IIT Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and being associated with the IIT itself is a huge plus point for your profile if you are interested to apply. And what about the stipend? So, well, you will be paid rupees 2000 per week, which is a nice financial support for students. For a month you will be getting 8000 rupees, and do note that the food and accommodation charges will have to be borne by the candidates themselves. But considering the stipend and the learning experience at an IIT like institute, this is still a wonderful opportunity. And yes, on successful completion of the internship, you will also receive a certificate from the IIT Gandhinagar, which will add great value to your resume. So let's look at the application process. Application to this particular microbiology internship program at the IIT Gandhinagar is very simple and it is completely online. All you need to do is that fill out the Google form provided in the notification, and once you are selected, you will also need to submit an official letter from your college or university confirming their approval for your internship, and the approval letter must be submitted at least 1 week before joining if you are getting selected. And regarding the application process, this is a Google form link, and we will provide the link at the description box, so you can directly access the link from the description box and complete your application process. So this is a great chance to gain direct hands-on training in microbiology at one of top institutes in India, IIT Gandhinagar, and it doesn't matter whether you are planning for higher studies, jobs in research labs, or industry roles. Practical exposure like this always sets you apart from the crowd. So, and because of this internship, which includes both experiments and documentation, you will also develop important skills like scientific writing and standardization, which are highly valued in the field. So if you are eligible, I strongly encourage you to apply as soon as possible. Don't wait till the last moment. And even if you are not currently looking for an internship, please do share this video with your friends who are in biology or microbiology and interested in such internship, because this could be the stepping stone they have been waiting for. So that's all for today's update, and we will keep keep bringing you more such internship and job opportunities. So do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Saiha Info for more updates. And best of luck to the all applicants for the internship program, and make sure you apply soon and grab this amazing opportunity at IIT Gandhinagar. Thank you for watching.